Yesterday was all about the big game. No, not Switzerland against Argentina. Switzerland against Germany. They played in Dietikon, where we normally do our Saturday football. And we prepared the field before our guests arrived. Ninna and Maya were there, and everybody was getting ready. We even kicked with jerseys to know who is who. White for Switzerland and blue for Germany. Ezenwa started out as assistant coach, giving the players advice on how to beat the Germans. And because the weather was so hot, we decided to introduce hydration breaks, just like FIFA. After that, Ezenwa was getting ready to play, while Chijoke was keeping himself busy on the sideline. They played and played, and in the end, Switzerland won. And after the game, we were ready for refreshments. But before we started eating, we had to break the cola. Ezenwa started out looking for the most senior person. Which of course led to a short discussion about who's senior who. So typical for Igbo gatherings. But we managed to find the right person to bless the drink and do the prayers. So forget about Argentina and the sad loss of Switzerland. What I remember about yesterday is the fun and the good people we met on our Saturday football. Hey!